Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a marketing site with Next.js and Tailwind, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. Open your terminal and create a new Next.js application using the command npx create next app my marketing site. Navigate into your project directory by running cd my marketing site. Once inside the directory, install Tailwind CSS by executing npm install tailwind posts autoprefixer. After the installation, initialize Tailwind CSS by running npx tailwind init. Open the tailwind.config.js file and configure the content array to include all relevant files. Add the paths to your JSX and TSX files, typically found in pages and components directories. Next, modify the global.css file located in the styles folder to include Tailwind's base, components, and utilities. To do this, replace existing content with @Tailwind base, @Tailwind components, @Tailwind utilities. Now, start your Next.js development server by running npm run dev. Open your web browser and visit http://localhost 3000 to view your running application. Create a new folder named Components in the root directory to store your reusable components. Inside the Components folder, create a file called header.js. In header.js, start by importing React and define your functional component. Create a simple header layout with navigation links using Tailwind's utility classes. Next, create a footer.js file in the Components folder. In the footer.js file, define a functional component that includes copyright information. Now, return to the pages/index.js file and import both your header and footer components. Wrap your main content in these components to structure your layout. Design your landing page by adding sections for features, pricing, and testimonials. Utilize Tailwind CSS classes to style these sections according to your branding. For each section, create a new component in the Components folder. This promotes modularity and keeps your code organized. Once all components are created and styled, test the layout in the browser. Adjust the styles as necessary to ensure responsiveness across different screen sizes. Consider adding animations or transitions using Tailwind's built-in features for more interactivity. To deploy your marketing site, create a production build using npm run build. Once the build is complete, check the output in the .next folder. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.